I welcome you today to the GinGee GoodEarth show, to the Valentine's special table setup, and I'd like to share with you today. Love one another. That's the theme today. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Ginger Lily, and I welcome you today to enjoy a Valentine's Day feast. And this is the dinner table. I like to share it with you. And as a priority, I have placed a Valentine message on the middle of the plate with a Valentine dolly to enjoy. And this one's called "The Secret of Love is Performing Some Little Act Daily to Give Happiness to Your Beloved, an act of service, perhaps, a small gift, a word of appreciation, a special smile of affection. Let not the happy brook of your love run dry for lack of replenishing the rain." So I'll put that on the table. And I have an excellent bottle of wine, and we'll go over the titles of everything. But first I just wanted to really show you on the place setting of the dinner menu. And so you can see we're going to have soup first, and then we have salad, and then a pate. So there's an assortment of dishes. So this is the pate. This will be another course for the menu, and then your last dish will be for the main course. And then we have a hot plate on the bottom to help keep everything hot. And then again, we're going with the red and white theme, so with the dinnerware. And you want to center that as best you can, but you can see the layers. So, and also the dessert dish, your wine glass, and then the wine that you select for your supper. And I'm trying to have everything in red and white Valentine colors. Even the napkin has a heart on the turtle dove with the swan. So I'm going to pan around to show you. You can see everything sparkles. Everything is sparkling. And this is something that you can put together and host a Valentine's special. And right here we have another poem. The secret of love is holding realistic expectations of one another, for imperfection is inherent in humanity. Concentrate on qualities that have drawn you both together, not on others that might keep you apart. So we have a little red dolly, and so we're going to serve soup first. From the kitchen there'll be another bowl, and then salad, and then pate, and then the main course. And that's how the dinner plates are arranged. So, and then I kept with the red and white theme. And then again, the poetry at the beginning of the table. There's the wine glasses, so we might have the select chosen wine of the evening or two, and then an after dinner drink, and then your ice water glass and your dessert glass, and everything is sparkling. And we talked about the silverware will be next. So always remember, you're going to have a salad fork, your main dinner fork, and you always place the silverware. The item that you use first is on the outside. So we're going to have salad and the dinner fork. Then we have the soup spoon, and then the dinner spoon, and then the knife. And the knife edge is always placed facing the platter. And there we have a perfect dining room setup. What's missing? My dessert spoon, which would lay right at the top here. So tomorrow when I do a second show, I'll bring in the dessert spoon. But pretty much everything is ready to go for supper. And then I have a lot of adornments for everybody to enjoy. And when they sit at the table, they can, you know, look at everything and have conversation. Kindness is beautiful. To my uncle, this postcard says, the Pittsuburgh Victorian Gibson Girl venue brochure that I always have passed out. There's my square dancers. And then again, everyone's going to have their own teapot. So as I move around, we'll see the individual teapots. And again, there's lots of candy and treats and caramels. And we try to be real festive and decorative. And we'll pan over to the Happy Valentine's Day picture. And again, here's another one. Love one another. That's the theme of our Valentine's Day dinner party. And I got really creative. These, see how it looks like a bow? Those, the ends of the bows are from the bouquets that you get from the florist, and I just saved them. And then I put a heart bag on the middle. It kind of looks like a bow. Oh, let's see. Love one another. So we'll pan over. This is my dining room. And I collect glass bells. And I put the florals as in many places that I can. I have the candles burning. And we'll pan over, and this is quite lovely with the hearts. And I have Valentine-shaped heart lights. And I'm going to turn off the light, but I want to show you some of my displays with antiques. And most of these items I got at St. Vincent de Paul Goodwill shop. There's some more candies. And those hearts taste like cherries, along with the chocolates. There's a Hershey's Kiss, of course. So, and then raspberry candies. And then here's another great Valentine. Be my Valentine. It's from the 1900s postcard. And there's a Victorian shoe. See the Victorian shoe? And then what I'll do, every time I do a table display, then I gather everything up and I ship it to my daughter for her to put together a Valentine themed party. There's the other party's teapot. And again, we have lots of color. Here's a strawberry jelly, a strawberry jam container with the spoon. And we're going to have hors d'oeuvres. And this is very nice silverware. And we'll talk about that tomorrow. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can enjoy the dining room in the dark. So you can see what it looks like when you're ready to have your meal. We're going to have the dinner tomorrow night. And there's the dinner table at nighttime. So it's very romantic and fun. And lots of color, lots of glitter, and welcoming invites, hopefully to make your food that much more appetizing while you're having supper. And this is something I historically have always put together. I really enjoy menu planning and preparing the food. And again, tomorrow we're going to talk more about menu items to serve. And I will be making a Valentine's cake from scratch out of coconut flour. But again, I want to share this with you so that you can learn and put a beautiful meal together for your family, friends, loved ones, or just to teach the teenagers on how to menu plan and prepare food. So, it's a beautiful display. So I welcome you to GinGee GoodEarth program, and this was one of the features I talked about that I would be preparing for you. So illustrating on how to set up a Valentine's Day dinner party menu and table display. So it's not hard. Here's the table setting again. It's something that you can put together too. Let's look at the square dance dolls again. They're so adorable. So I'm trying to get you many angles. And tomorrow I'll have music in the background. So nice and quiet, the wind's breezy. Today is April 17th, 2021, and this is an example of a happy Valentine's Day dinner party. Bon appetit!